Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Marcus Lost on your Google Pixel 11. So first, we're going to go to the app called FindHub. Once we are in the FindHub, we should see that we have the Pixel 11 right here. Now, as you guys can see, we can go to the settings, and now we can simply remote lock our device. So if it's lost or stolen, we just use the remote lock. Now, as you guys can see, on any device, go to Android.com lock, enter your device's phone number to lock its screen. So here, as you guys can see, info needed to use remote lock. Phone number, for me, it cannot verify it, so I cannot really just lock the phone up. But also the security question that is optional. Here you can select what's your mother's maiden name, and you can, for example, create an answer. So here you can set it up. Now you got it done, but still it cannot find my number. So if you want to remove it, you can just turn it off on Android.com/lock. You'll see your device there, and you'll have to answer that question that you put in. So what you see on the screen afterwards, you will see that this phone has been marked as stolen. There will be a phone number and basically a message that you can write from the Android.com/lock, and that's how you guys can easily enable it as lost. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.